Hello and welcome to another episode of Egyptian Arabic with Islam Badawi. Today we'll be having another one of Learn Arabic Through Stories episode. And in this episode, we'll be covering a story called Aad Labiya Wala Alaya, which means sitting, minding my own business. This story was written by my student Sharif. Thank you. And this story will be for the intermediate advanced level. So it will be for the levels from B1 to C1. So B1, B2, and C1. And if you haven't already and you like this show, if you are listening on Spotify, please follow and give us 5 stars. And if you're listening on YouTube, subscribe and give us a like if you appreciate this content and you would like it to reach more people. Remember, the vocabulary and the full story will be written in the show notes, so you can always go there, check the vocabulary, study them, and then you can come back and watch the episode one more time. This usually helps a lot because, second time after you read and you study, you can see how you progressed. So don't forget that the vocabulary and the story are there for you. And the way we do the stories in our episode is that we read the story 3 times. The first time I read the story fast and hopefully you understand a little bit from the context. The second time I read the story again and I go slower and I go word by word and analyze the vocabulary in the story and translate the story for you as well. And then I read the third time faster again to see how much you got from the story after learning the vocabulary and the translation. So without further ado, let's share the screen and get started. This story is called Aad Labiya Wala Alaya by Sharif. So now I will read the story the first time fast and hopefully you get some from the context. قاعد لبيا ولا عليا. في يوم من الأيام وأنا قاعد في قهوة دخلت ست وقعدت على ترابيزة قريبة من بتاعتي. هي اختارت الترابيزة الكبيرة اللي جنب الشباك وفي وش مدخل المحل. الترابيزة دي بتاخد 5 أفراد. أول حاجة عملتها بعد ما قعدت نزلت ستارة الشباك وبعد كده قامت من مكانها ورجعت بريموت التكييف في إيدها وشغلت التكييف على حوالي 17. فجأة المكان بقى مظلم وساقع. أنا اتعفرت وتوقعت إن الزباين التانيين برضو اتضايقوا من الست اللي قلبت المكان من الأرض للمريخ في مفيش. وأنا براقب رد فعل الزباين التانيين في القهوة لقيتهم ما خدوش بالهم من اللي حصل ولا فارق معاهم. أنا استسلمت وطلبت الحساب ومشيت. أنا منبهر قد إيه المصريين بيستحملوا بعض. And this was the end of the first time of the story. Now I'm going to read it a second time and tell you the translation and the vocabulary. But before this, please, if you didn't, subscribe if you are on YouTube and hit the like button. Follow if you are on Spotify and give us 5 stars. This will help us continue with this podcast. And let's go back and read it the second time. So this time I'll be reading the full story and I will be translating it piece by piece. Okay? So let's do that. قاعد لبيا ولا عليا. قاعد means sitting. قاعد يقعد is to sit. لبيا ولا عليا. Together like this. Be is the preposition in me. So basically nothing in me and nothing on me. But this is the way we say I am minding my own business. We say قاعد لبيا ولا عليا. So the title of the story is I am sitting minding my own business. قاعد لبيا ولا عليا. في يوم من الأيام. في يوم من الأيام is the way we start a story in Arabic. So this is like our way of saying once upon a time. We say one day of the days, or one day from the days. So في يوم من الأيام وأنا قاعد في قهوة. We here means while. We can use we sometimes in the beginning of sentences to mean while. وأنا قاعد في قهوة while I'm sitting in a cafe. دخلت ست وقعدت على ترابيزة قريبة من بتاعتي. دخلت ست, a lady entered. دخل يدخل is to enter. وقعدت and she sat على ترابيزة. على is on or at. ترابيزة is a table, and she sat at a table قريبة من بتاعتي. قريب is close to or near to. قريبة من close to. بتاعتي, بتاعي means my thing if it's masculine, بتاعتي if it's feminine. So to a table close to mine. مرة تانية: في يوم من الأيام وأنا قاعد في قهوة دخلت ست وقعدت على ترابيزة قريبة من بتاعتي. هي اختارت الترابيزة الكبيرة. اختار is to choose. So the lady هي اختارت, she chose الترابيزة الكبيرة. She chose the big table. اللي جنب الشباك. اللي جنب الشباك. اللي, the one which. اللي is this word that connects two phrases together in the way that which, who, and where, and so on. So الترابيزة الكبيرة, the big table. اللي جنب الشباك, which is near to the window. وفي وش مدخل المحل. The location of the table is also في وش, in the face or in the opposite direction from مدخل المحل. مدخل is entrance. محل is shop or restaurant in this or cafe. محل is shop basically, but here we can use it in more contexts than the word shop in English. So وفي وش مدخل المحل, opposite to the entrance of the shop. الترابيزة دي بتاخد 5 أفراد. الترابيزة دي, this table, بتاخد, ياخد is to take, it takes 5 أفراد. 5 أفراد means 5 people. This table takes 5 people. فرد, أفراد is individuals. أول حاجة عملتها, حاجة is thing, عمل يعمل is to do. So أول حاجة, the first thing عملتها, that she did, بعد ما after قعدت, to sit down. Why did we need ما here? Why didn't we say simply بعد قعدت? Because the transitional words like بعد, قبل, زي, كل, they can be followed by a noun and they can be simply like this and it's easy, like بعد الدرس, بعد الحفلة, and so on. But if they are going to be followed by a verb, we need ما. So بعد ما قعدت, because قعد is a verb. So after she sat down, بعد ما قعدت, نزلت ستارة الشباك. نزلت ستارة الشباك. نزل is to bring down, because the verb نزل ينزل is to descend or to go down. So نزل يتنزل is to take something else down. And ستارة is curtain. So نزلت ستارة الشباك means she got the window's curtain down, meaning she closed the curtain. نزلت ستارة الشباك. وبعد كده قامت, يقوم is to get up. After this she got up. بعد كده قامت من مكانها. After this she got up from her place. يقوم is to get up. ورجعت بريموت التكييف. يرجع is to return. So she returned بريموت التكييف. تكييف is AC or AC conditioner. So she came back with the AC remote. في إيدها, in her hand. ورجعت بريموت التكييف في إيدها. وشغلت التكييف على حوالي 17. شغل is to turn on. شغلت التكييف, she turned on the AC على حوالي 17, on around 17 degree. فجأة المكان بقى مظلم. فجأة is suddenly or out of a sudden. المكان, the place, بقى مظلم. ضلمة is darkness, مظلم is dark. So المكان بقى, the place became, مظلم is dark. وساقع. ساقع is cold for things, but برد is cold for weather. But here we're not speaking about the weather, we're speaking about the place. Therefore ساقع. But if we're speaking about the weather, we say برد. فجأة المكان بقى مظلم وساقع. أنا اتعفرت is to get irritated, to get angry, to get annoyed or frustrated. And this word comes from عفريت. عفريت is like a genie. So اتعفرت is to feel like you're possessed by a genie. Oh my god, what is happening? So أنا اتعفرت, I got irritated. واتوقعت إن الزباين التانيين برضو اتضايقوا. يتوقع is to expect or predict. So اتوقعت إن الزباين التانيين, I expected that the other customers زبون زباين is customers التانيين برضو اتضايقوا. They also اتضايق is to be bothered, so they also got bothered by this. اتضايقوا من الست got bothered from the lady. الست اللي قلبت المكان من الأرض للمريخ. The lady that قلب يقلب is to turn upside down or to flip. So she flipped قلب يقلب المكان the place من الأرض from earth like the warm nice weather in the right distance from the sun للمريخ the cold planet of Mars. مريخ is Mars. And the art can be earth ground floor, but here it's earth. So she turned the place from the weather of earth to the weather of Mars. في مفيش means in no time. في مفيش is like in, مفيش is none, in no time. This is how we say in no time. So she turned the place from the weather of earth to the weather of Mars in no time. Okay? So هو خلص الشغل في مفيش. He finished the work in no time. ماشي. We continue. وأنا براقب رد فعل الزباين. راقب يراقب is to monitor or observe. So وأنا براقب as I am observing براقب رد فعل. رد يرد is to respond or to reply. So رد فعل together with the word فعل is reaction. So وأنا براقب رد فعل while I am watching or monitoring the reaction of الزباين we said earlier customers. So وأنا براقب رد فعل الزباين التانيين as I am monitoring the reaction of the other customers في القهوة in the cafe the coffee shop. لقيتهم ما خدوش بالهم. يلاقي is to find. So I لقيتهم here can be I realized or I found that. So I found that ما خدوش بالهم. خد باله ياخد باله is to take care, to watch out or to keep the attention. So ما خدوش بالهم means they didn't notice. This is a way to say they did not notice. So ما خدوش بالهم. They did not notice. They were not aware من اللي حصل of what has happened. ما خدوش بالهم من اللي حصل. So the other customers didn't notice this that has happened with the remote and the AC being turned down and the room turned into dark because she closed the curtain. ما خدوش بالهم من اللي حصل ولا فارق معاهم. فرق يفرق is to make a difference. So ولا فارق معاهم neither it makes a difference for them. Neither it matters to them. And why did we use ولا here? Why did we use ولا here? Because there is a negation here and here we are saying nor. So ما خدوش بالهم, they did not notice or they did not keep their attention, they did not notice what happened. ولا فارق معاهم. Neither it makes a difference to them. So ما خدوش ولا فارق معاهم it's neither nor. This is how we use it. Okay? ما خدوش بالهم من اللي حصل ولا فارق معاهم. Let's give another example for neither nor. هو لا ذاكر ولا راح الامتحان. He neither studied nor he went to the exam. هو لا بيحب المحشي ولا الملوخية. He neither likes محشي or ملوخية. If he doesn't like both, something is off about him. Like maybe he should make sure that this person is not a psychopath or something. You know. أنا استسلمت. Let's continue. أنا استسلمت. أنا استسلمت means I surrendered or I gave up or I forfeited. أنا استسلمت. خلاص ماشي. وطلبت الحساب. طلب يطلب is to request or to demand or to ask for. So وطلبت الحساب I asked for the check, the bill. ومشيت. يمشي is to leave. ومشيت is like I went off. I left. أنا منبهر is surprised or fascinated. أنا منبهر قد إيه المصريين قد إيه is how much المصريين the Egyptians بيستحملوا بعض. يستحمل means to tolerate. So I am fascinated with how much the Egyptian people tolerate one another. Again, we will still read it a third time, but before I want to remind you The episode is not finished yet. I'm going to read it one more time quickly. But before this, I want to remind you, if you're not following us on Spotify, please follow us and please give us 5 stars if you appreciate this content. And write me a comment. Tell me if you have experienced something funny like this in your trip to Egypt or with your Arab friends. Like what funny encounter that has happened to you that this story has reminded you of, if you remember one. You can write this in English, it's acceptable, but if you can write a little bit of it in Arabic, that will be awesome, and you can practice, and I can help you maybe a little bit in the comment section. So this is also a thing that you could do. And if you're listening to the story on YouTube, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please write us also that comment saying this funny encounter that you have had before. And now let's go back and read the story a third time quickly. All right. قاعد لا بيا ولا عليا. في يوم من الأيام وأنا قاعد في قهوة، دخلت ست وقعدت على ترابيزة قريبة من بتاعتي. هي اختارت الترابيزة الكبيرة اللي جنب الشباك وفي وش مدخل المحل. الترابيزة دي بتاخد 5 أفراد. الترابيزة دي بتاخد 5 أفراد. أول حاجة عملتها بعد ما قعدت نزلت ستارة الشباك، وبعد كده قامت من مكانها ورجعت بريموت التكييف في ايدها، وشغلت التكييف على حوالي 17. فجأة المكان بقى مضلم وساقع. أنا اتعفرت وتوقعت إن الزباين التانيين برضو اتضايقوا، من الست اللي قلبت المكان من الأرض للمريخ في مفيش. وأنا براقب رد فعل الزباين التانيين في القهوة، لقيتهم ما خدوش بالهم من اللي حصل ولا فارق معاهم. أنا استسلمت وطلبت الحساب ومشيت. أنا منبهر قد إيه المصريين بيستحملوا بعض. Thank you so much for listening to another episode of Egyptian Arabic with Islam Badawi. We will be posting another episode soon. And if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and comment with your encounter that you have had similar to this one. And if you like this content and you would like to support it, you can always go to the show notes and find the link for Buy Me a Coffee. And you can buy me a coffee to share the love. See you again in another episode of Egyptian Arabic with Islam Badawi. مع السلامة. Bye bye.